How about talking refrigerators? Yeah, his wife has died and she's come back to haunt him in these appliances. And this guy lives a life and everything bitches at him. His fridge bitches at him, his sink bitches at him, his fucking car bitches at him, you know. It's called fucking what a bitch his life is. How about fucking a show about a pogo stick salesman that sells pogo sticks outside of bars? Well, you know, the funniest scene would be a fucking amputee disco bar, right? We could fucking do a little fucking teeny bobber who's young and innocent and how going through her life, how she turns into a fucking cigarette addicted, smoking, hacking fucking slut, you know. She was lying on the ground and I didn't realize she was lying on the ground and I pissed on her. Missiles. Tits that are missiles. They sent a fucking chick to the Afghan war, man, and she has missile tits. Give me a ride. I could never see the fucking war that was so capable of destroying so many folks and people that had lives and everybody was inclined and loved them and doesn't even hate them anymore, man. I'll kill my mother.
Did he just say that he killed his mother?
Yeah, we can't use this guy.
I thought he had some really great ideas.
I love missile tits. I just don't think we had the budget.
We still need Jay.
Maybe we should talk to Jay.
Yeah, we probably should.
All done. It's a dog toy. Enjoy.
Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna go and shave and change my shirt and check my email.
All right. Samantha, are you there? Are you ready for your cyber love, baby? Hey, Mr. Anderson.
Yeah, look at these pics, man.
I was kind of hoping your daughter was home.
This is one massive man.
So, how's work?
You should see me have sex with myself.
All right. I can't believe I'm doing this.
So fucking big and beautiful, man. Fucking.
Ow. Shit. Oh, sorry.
Oh god, you get off of myself just looking at this body, man. This is my fucking fantasy right here, man. Yes, sir, big.
This is wrong. Tell anybody about this, I will fucking kill you. Thanks, Mr. Anderson. I think I'm done.
Oh, yeah, man, fuck.
Hello? Were you able to trace the webcast? And? He's broadcasting from inside the house. Why are you doing this? Mr. Anderson. Oh my lord.
This is one massive.
You're gonna do one goddamn skit with us.
Come on in. Hi, I'm Vince. I just got away with murder. With the sham murder, I can do it again? Times 10. So you just finished eviscerating a street person, and it spilled on the rug. The sham murder gets deep into the fiber, zapping up that stubborn DNA. The patented spongy vortex is specially designed to erase the trace. Take this bukkake wall. Not even this high-tech jizz light can detect the trace. But that's not all. You can pee in it, poo in it, kill with it. It's made in Germany, and you know the Germans know how to kill stuff. Just just ask the Jews. And if you call within the next 3 minutes, because we can't do this all day, you'll get a second set of sham murders absolutely free. That's 2 for the murder, 2 for the cleanup, and 1 for the escape plan. And with the sham murder, I can do it again, times 10. Call now!
As far as you're concerned, I'm Frenchie. I work at a Girl Guide camp, so you best believe I bring the cookies. I used to work at a steel treatment plant till they put me out on disabilities. I was breathing in a lot of chemicals, which means I'm pretty much immunized to that. All my body's 78% titanium. All the replacement bones from accidents I've been in. I fell into the skid incinerator. I've been acid burned by the acid burner. I saw a guy kill himself once. I was gang raped by some of the tougher guys at work. Then they set me on fire. Someone tied my shoelaces together once and I fell asleep at work. And I fell. I was gang raped. Did I say that already? I enjoy long walks on the Girl Guide camp when all the little girls are asleep. I fought a retard once, but that was to raise awareness. My dick don't work good. I get pretty good head. I got 1 lung, so I don't breathe good, and I only got half a heart, and the other half's for you. So if you like me, please call.
What are you doing, man?